God has continued to bless our engaged ministries and our student camps that we have each summer. We're just coming off a phenomenal summer of seeing so many lives touched and changed, and so many students coming to know Christ and being called to the ministry. Just to give you a little facts of what God has done in the past couple of years, and then we're going to see some videos and hear a testimony. But 2 years ago, we started our M3 weeks. Actually, it was the summer before this last. And we had 600 students participate in our very first M3 week. This last summer, we went to 2 weeks because we had such a huge interest in our camps that we went to these 2 weeks and we had over 1,200 students come to our M3 weeks. We turned enough churches away to fill up a third week. This next year, we are going to 3 weeks. Through that ministry, we saw over 175 students give their life to Christ and over 60 called to ministry. Through other camps, through our Hispanic initiative and through our leadership camps, we saw many, many other students called to ministry, lives changed, and just some phenomenal things. And we just thank you that through your giving and through the Reach Texas offering, we're able to do these things to touch and to reach out to young people and to teenagers. We also had our Engage ministry that we just completed our best summer so far. Last year we saw 25 churches participate in our Engage ministry, and we sent 13 students to emphasize in evangelism and revival. This past summer we had 51 churches participate in our revival initiative through the Engage ministry, and we sent out 31 students from Southwestern, Criswell, and Jacksonville College and some other universities across this great state. And so God just blessed that. And through Engage, we have seen over 268 people come to Christ in the last couple of years. Yes. God is just doing a work through these ministries, and we see it as a movement. I see it as a movement that God is beginning to stir the hearts of young people to go out and to do evangelism and to promote revival. This morning, you're going to hear from one of those students that participated in our Engage ministry, Dalton Estes, if you would. Come here. Dalton is one of our students that actually was called to ministry through an Engage team. God using that team that came to his church a couple of summers ago, and then this past summer he participated with our Engage ministry. So you're going to hear from Dalton. When he finishes, you're going to see some videos of all the wonderful things God did through our camps this past summer.
Thank you, Jared. As Jared said, I've had the ability to participate in Engage Ministries in 2 different capacities. First, as serving as a youth intern at First Baptist Church in Deweyville, we hosted an Engage team, and my main job that summer was to make sure that went off without a hitch. As my first job in the ministry, I was stressed out the weeks preparing for it and a couple days before it happened. And I was actually questioning what I was going to do in the ministry, if I was even cut out for it. And throughout that week, God really solidified that Dalton, you are supposed to be doing this full time. I don't want you doing it part of the time. I don't want you doing it half the time. I want you doing it all the time. And so because of the church hosting that Engage team, I realized that I did have a call ministry on my life. And I left the small town of Deweyville, went to Criswell College here in Dallas, and started taking classes. The following summer, I decided what better way to get in on it than go join an Engage team myself. And I did just that, and we had a great summer. The team I was put on saw over 30 salvations this summer as we went all across the state of Texas. And the other 5 teams with us combined for a total of 86 salvations this summer. And so I'm saying all that to get to this. If you are a pastor out there today wanting to spark a new fire for evangelism in your congregation or in your youth group, I encourage you to host an Engage team. If you're a discouraged youth pastor, a discouraged pastor, I encourage you to host an Engage team because you don't understand the benefits that you will acquire from doing so. If you're a college student or a seminary student and you're wanting to gain invaluable experience going across the state of Texas, hosting revival services, knocking on doors, sharing the love of Christ, I encourage you to join an Engage team. So just swing by. We have a booth set up, the student evangelism booth in the exhibit hall. Swing by. We'd love to meet with y'all, talk with y'all, give y'all some information and all that stuff. So we thank you once again for listening, and thank you. And we hope that if you want to host an Engage team, do so. You will never understand the benefits that you will acquire from doing so. Thank you.